Welcome. This is Austin from Tclassified.com. Today I'm going to be showing us how to do the ongoing Nysc registration for Batch B 2019. The registration is supposed to start today, being the 1st of June 2019 for Batch B mobilization. Now, if you want to do your registration, you simply go to their website www.portal.nysc.org.ng. So once you go there, you will see this website. So you can also have /nysc3 in it. So you can use this address the way it is here: https://portal.nysc.org.ng/nysc3/. So it will also lead you here, or you simply say www.portal.nysc.org.ng. It will lead you to this place. So people that use this login are people that have already created an account. But if you've not created an account, this is where you create an account, and you can see clearly it is written Mobilization Batch B 2019, and it is going to run from today, being the 1st of June 2019 to 12th of June 2019. Please hit the subscribe button by this side of your screen, so that any video that we release concerning how to do many things in Nigeria, and lecture videos for people that are in the academic world, like people preparing for WAEC and JAM. So once you hit the subscribe button, any video that we release, you'll be able to see them. So continuing with this, if you want to check whether your name is in the list, you have to click on check Senate list or equivalent if you want to check whether your name is in the list. But if you are sure that your name is in the list and you want to continue, so you quickly come here and click on this mobilization for Batch B. So once you click on this mobilization for Batch B, then you click on fresh registration. That is how you do it when you are doing the fresh registration. So you click on fresh registration. Once you click, you will see this. So here you put your email. So once you put your email here, you also repeat your email. Make sure you're using a fresh email, it will be better, and Gmail is always better than other mails. So if you use a fresh email, in case if you're registering and you're continuing to have problem, so just use a fresh email, because when you use a fresh email, it will be easier for you to know where your problem is from, in case if you're having a problem. So I'm going to complete this email. So once you type your email on the first column, you're going to also type your email on the second column. Once you are done with that, select any question that I normally select what's your pet name. So I'll just put what my pet name is. So once I put a pet name, I'll also repeat it here. So once I repeat it here, you can then click on continue. Once you click on this continue, you are going to get to your email immediately and open your email. So once you click on continue, you go to your email, you open your email so that you see the link. So I'm going to click on continue. It will say process email. You say yes. So it's now saying that it has sent you a link to your email. So you now go to your email. If your email is a Gmail, you go and open your Gmail. Inside your email, you are going to see a mail that is sent from Nysc. So once you see that mail, click on it and click on the link. Once you click on it and click on the link, you are going to be opened to where you can now fill out your school. So once you finish filling out your school, you will now have to put your once you finish filling out your school, you will now require to put your thumbprint. So you can either put your thumbprint on the website or you use the offline. Using the offline is easier. You can see my offline. This is my offline, Nysc Biometrics, which you can always download from the Nysc portal. So when you double click on your offline, then you'll be able to load in. Once you double click on your offline, you will be able to do your thumbprint and put your picture. So you use the offline to put the thumbprint and picture. So how does your offline connect with the main online? It connects because once you put your email in this offline, you'll be able to get connected So very importantly, you need this offline, but you can also do it online. So if you are doing this and you can't tell any problem, you can always call our number so that we can assist you. +234 70 671 626 98. So you can always use that to get through to us so that we can help you do any of these. So always hit the subscribe button while we continue. In subsequent video, I'm going to show you with an example of somebody I'm registering, so that as I'm explaining, you will be seeing everything. I also have a video that shows the one I registered for last year, which is the same procedure, which I'm going to drop a link for you in the description part of this video or on the one side of this video. So when I put that link, you'll be able to see this and you can go on with your registration. So check the link by this side. I'll put the link by this side so that you can see the link of the one I did for last year, which is exactly the way you move, so that you can follow up. Please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section. So this is the biometrics capture, the offline, which you also use if you want to do this. So once you double click on it, it will open. Then you put the email that you used, the email you use in creating your Nysc account with the password. Once you click on login, you can be able to now put your passport and your thumbprint. So once you finish putting your passport and thumbprint, you come back to this website. So when you come back to this website, like I said before, www.nysc.org, once you get back, click on this login. This is for fresh registration, but once you've done thumbprint, this is where you go to login. You put your email and password. Once you click on resume, it will take you to the extent that you were supposed to have it gone, and that is how you go about this. So please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions and concerns, drop it on the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.